What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you saw from the title of the video, we are doing a full day of eating / day in the life video because I'm going to show you guys my training as well. So get ready for the training, get ready for the eating. It is like 9:30 right now, 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. I'm about to go eat my first meal. I think it is going to be Greek yogurt, protein oats, and maybe a little something else. We'll see. So at the end of the video, if you guys stick around for that, I will go over the new split and break down the new diet. So get ready for that and just enjoy the video. My breakfast was protein oats, Greek yogurt with honey, and 2 bananas. The protein oats, low fat, high carb, high protein to just prepare us for the day, give us a little energy. Greek yogurt, again, 0 fats and good protein. The honey, just more non-fat carbs, and then the bananas, more carbs, potassium, helps with cramps. You know the deal. All right, what is going on, guys? I'm at the gym now, about to eat this peanut butter and jelly whatever from Trader Joe's as my little pre-workout carbs, and then we are going to hit a nice pull day. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the back workout.
Some people will never like you because I believe your spirit irritates their demons. You want to be strong? Learn how to be alone.
You won.
My girlfriend, Corinne, left me for my training partner. It devastated me. It rocked my world. It hurt me so bad.
Imagine walking out the door a loser.
I went to the gym and my ex-training partner and my ex-fiance were kissy face, huggy bear in the gym, and I'm there at the same time with me.
You want to walk out the door a damn loser, or do you want to walk out the door a winner? I'll fight to the death.
Use this hurt as fuel, as energy.
I'd rather die. I would rather
Look at training as something
guy.
that builds character, work ethic. Look at training as something that really builds confidence. Look at training that shows you how to fail and shows you how to get up and win. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up now. Get back me. Kill me. Come on. One more back. Dig. Oh, you're strong. I can't tell you how many times I dropped the weight on the floor. Congratulations. Dropped the weight and just tossed it off my back. Fell down. Got up again and continued the set. You gotta be willing to fail. If you can't fail, what I learned in the gym is failure is you gotta go out there and fail. You gotta go out there and fall down. Most people who've won big have failed big. The only place to go from failure, what I promised myself as a little boy, I said I can never leave the gym knowing I have 5% left, is to win. 5% is magic. It's the magic place where very few people go. You can go there. I'm giving you permission to go there. We have people behind you. If you fall down and drop the weight on the floor, you have to achieve failure. But if you make it, I care. I want that. I want you to fail, and I want you to get up. And you know something? I got news for you. That's where winning is. Strong! I'm strong! Come on! One more! Fire! Come on! Be serious! 150! No! Hold it! Come on! Do not be a failure! Do not be a failure! Fail! Or kill me!
Hey, I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you. You didn't change. It was me. I changed. There was nothing you could have done to make me stay. There was nobody else. I left for myself. that, how do I say this? One day things didn't feel the same. I felt myself drifting away and my feelings began to wane with each passing day, like a leak that keeps dripping over time. My love for you slowly leaked out of me. I tried to make it work for weeks. I stayed longer than I should have. Before I knew it, there wasn't a single drop left in me that still wanted you and me. I was running on empty. No matter how much I could see you trying to refill the love in me, I'm sorry. It wasn't you. It was all me. I still care for you. I want the very best for you, but I could no longer be there for you. I just wanted to clear the air for you. I understand you hate me. I never imagined that I'd say this to you. You have to know, though, that I didn't plan for this. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to fall out of love with you, because I truly did love you. I still do. But not in the same way. Not in the way that would make it fair for me to say, I'm sorry things couldn't stay the same.
This was my post-workout meal, as you guys can see. Salmon, rice, broccoli, and carrots, and there's extra rice in there from Minute Jasmine Rice. I wanted to just get a little extra carbs after the workout, so yeah. Just got home from work in the gym. 3/4 cup Greek yogurt, 3 cups of chocolate milk, and then we have protein pasta and rice. I'll show the macros of everything when I'm sitting down and eating, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit more. Absolutely housed the chocolate milk and Greek yogurt, guys. Now we can really dig into the big meal, I guess you could say. So today, decent back training session. Pump was all right. I was kind of having a hard time feeling my lats today, but we still achieved failure, and that is all that matters. So now I can talk about the actual split. First of all, boom, here are the macros for today. Boom, calories, all that stuff. Right after my workout, I had salmon, broccoli, and rice. You would have seen that just a second ago. So that is that. And then as far as training goes, upper, lower, push, pull, legs is the new split. It's locked in. Tomorrow is the last day of the split. Tomorrow is legs. I'm still kind of figuring out, the volume and how I am putting exercises in there on the upper lower days versus the push pull leg days. So we're still figuring that out, but with time that'll get perfected. Right now we're just going through things, but as intense as possible. So I've learned already from my upper days, my lower days, my push and pull days, and then next week we'll be able to get better and better and bigger. And as far as calories go, this week we are doing 3,000, and I think I want to up the calories every 2 weeks by 100. And obviously the carbs, fats, and proteins will go up as that goes up. So that is kind of all you guys need to know right now, I believe. We're gonna eat this, and then I will see you guys next week for whatever video we have there. Maybe it'll be the leg day I film tomorrow if I film a leg day. I don't know yet. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching another video. I really appreciate all the support. thank you just for everything. And if you guys ever need any motivation from me, come over to the channel, come over to the Instagram, and I will help you out as much as I can. I love each and every one of you, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and end video.